Good morning, guys. This is Patricia. Well, it's early in the morning for me, and I had gotten this box in the mail yesterday, and I still had some golden drops left. I'm not going to turn the phone around this morning because I just got up. My hair's not brushed, and I am in my bathrobe. But I wanted to, because I usually take this first thing in the morning, and then I take it in the evening before, a couple hours before bed or right before bed, depending on what my day is like. But I wanted to show you another one of my scripture cups is, "Blessed be the name of the Lord." And then it also has another scripture, "Every blessing you pour out, I'll turn back to praise." So there's a song that every song I sing is a praise unto you. So a worship song this morning I'm going to sing. I'm going to have my coffee and maybe a piece of toast and take a shower and go to church this morning. But I want to show you what come in. It took about 7 days, I guess, in my area. But I go ahead and it's golden drops or curcumin, which is a different form of curcumin. It's not like you could buy in the shows you. See, I'm not fully awake this morning. I got 3 bottles because I used this right before I had my big fall, and started small, and then I had went up to usually you take, starting out, 5 drops in the morning, 5 drops in the evening. And when I had my major fall, I had actually went up to 10 drops 3 times a day just to get over the pain and inflammation. And so I was almost out, and I wanted to make sure I don't go a day without my golden drops. And they come in these little bottles. When you take them out, they're like this. And each bottle on a regular dosage, 5 in the morning and 5 at night drops, 1 bottle should last you a month. But I also share my drops with my dog and sometimes my son. I put it in my dog's water because he limps. Sometimes it helps him. And then I'm going back to 10 drops twice a day because I think that's the dosage. You got to find the sweet spot when you're doing any supplement that benefits you. Both depends on what's going on in your body because everybody's different. And it's best to at least do 3 months. Try, if you want to just start with 1 bottle, you can. But 3 months, you get 3 bottles, you get a better price. And it doesn't go bad. But it gives your body a chance, because if there's healing, I always tell people that healing symptoms usually are things that's been going on for a while in your body, and they just came out to express themselves. So there's a lot of times you've had situations in your life that's been ongoing in your body for a while. So you can't expect. Now there's some testimonies. There's a lot of testimonies where you don't have to wait long to see the results. Depends, like it says, depending on the body. But it took me about at least a good 2 months to be able to feel like 2 months for the healing to take place. But it was a major, major fall, guys. I'm talking about a fractured pelvis and some knee damage. So I want to stay on it. I deal with symptoms of back and other issues. So it's something I just don't want to be out with, not have it. So anyway, I just want to unbox my golden drops for you this morning, show you my cup, and wish you a happy, happy Sunday. So God bless you. Until the next video. Take care.